better. Take 5. Here, take this. This has got our whole playlist on it. Now learn it.
Right. Maybe I should see if Alex will come back to play.
You really don't have time for anything else but music. We have so much work to do before the gig. But I'm gonna keep working on Taylor because if we could get him on drums, we'd be like a whole new look band. What do you think? Caleb? Caleb?
Stop. Seems like I'm not talking about you completely out of time. What? There's so much work to do before the gig. I'm gonna keep working on Taylor because if we could get him on drums, we'd be like a whole new look band. What do you think? I'm gonna keep working on Taylor because if we could get him on drums, we'd be like a whole...
You wanted to see me?
You're not like other people, are you, Caleb? I mean, you are really good at guitar.
Yeah, about that. I've been thinking your band's not really my style.
But we've got the gig tonight.
So do the gig as usual. Tony won't mind. You'll be fine.
It's too bad. You know, you and I, we could have been magic.
What do you mean by that?
You know, I just can't get you out of my head, Caleb. I mean, you arrived from some place no one's ever heard of, suddenly loaded with cash, suddenly can play guitar.
What can I say? I got some hidden talents.
More than anyone knows. That's right. I've seen what you can do. I know your secret, your magic.
What? What are you talking about?
Don't treat me like I'm a moron. I've seen you disappear. I've got proof, recorded proof.
What do you want?
What do I want? That's a good question. I want everything. I want to be famous. I want my band to travel the world and fill stadiums. And you're gonna help me get there. So you are going to turn up tonight, and you are gonna play the guitar, and we are gonna be huge.
And if I don't?
And if you don't, let's just say that your little secret will be out for everyone to see.
You let her see you?
Not directly.
Does anybody else know?
I don't think so.
But she knows you can disappear. What about everything else?
Well, she doesn't know how I do it, but she thinks that I can get whatever I want.
Caleb, this is exactly what I was talking about.
I know.
Does she know about Manjapur?
No, I don't think so. I'm so sorry, Alex.
Sorry? Alex, don't listen to him. You're not sorry. You don't care about anyone but yourself.
Yeah, this is my problem. I will fix it.
Yeah, how?
I don't know. I'll think of something.
Not good enough, Caleb. You're in serious trouble here. This could lead to Alex.
No, this isn't about Caleb and me anymore. This is about Manjapur. You said she had proof?
Yeah, the device with the...
Yeah, her laptop.
Sorry. Couldn't you just use magic to wipe it?
No, using magic is what caused this problem in the first place. So what do we do about it?
You're gonna help me.
Do I have a choice?